Science Department. We are talking about food, and we are talking about how to feed Indonesia 270 million people, in Pakistan 220 million people. So this is a very important topic and very timely, and I'm very glad all industrialists, academicians, business people, and very enthusiastic young people here to listen, to discuss, and to having an idea of discussing very important topics. First and foremost, I would like to express my appreciation Professor Dr. Khalid Mehmood Iraqi, Vice Chancellor of the University of Karachi. Of course, once again, Dr. Sani Nanaj, Chair of the Department of Food Science and Technology, University of Karachi. Previous speaker, among others, is Ms. Faya Khan, President of Pakistan Nutrition and Dietetic Society, and all my friends from Lal Kila. I remember very well when I first came here, I had dinner in your lovely place, and all people, food producer, manufacturing is very nice. During almost 2 hours, I'm listening to all the very fruitful discussion and thought, and I hope this is one of the great contribution to Karachi to bring people together in a partnership and collaboration. With the same vein, I would like to express the importance of collaboration and the importance of foods in our today's discussion. I must have experience working as a diplomat in FAO, Food Agriculture Organization, where I was serving in Rome, Italy. This is a very important organization, and many delegations, also Indonesia, Pakistan, come to the place. They are discussing very important things, from dining table to negotiating table. So this is very important. And in FAO, for instance, besides all the chapter, the course and the future of food, they also have the organization what we call World Food Program. World Food Program is the organization that also has an action program normally in very difficult situations like African countries. And they also have IFAD. It's like IMF for the food organization, for the food and agriculture organization. They also have special program to promote the organization. And this is part of the effort of the university. And I would like to inform dear distinguished academician. In Indonesia, we have one of the university called IPB, Institute Pertanian Bogor, Agriculture University in Indonesia, that also have the food science that we encourage to collaborate. It's really encouraging to see students, food scientists, engineers, nutrition, and industry leaders to exhibit their achievement in highlighting the challenges regarding sustainable food security. All speakers already speak from various ideas, from very simple one like addressing food waste, and this is what I would like to underline, because first, not only food nutrition or food waste, but also the way we package the food. Too much plastic, too much packaging is really become garbage and a problem to our environment. And in the end, the environment will be damaged, and it will affect the quality of land, and in the end, the quality of any agriculture product. So first and foremost, I appeal on the industrialists, so beware of the packaging. And I'm very impressed with very beautiful packaging that I come across here, but I see that's sometimes too much. One package with so many plastic, with so many packages. This is something that we have to consider. I think you have also brilliant idea how to make it more efficient. And for about food waste, I agree. We have so many people in need to share. So we have to elaborate and advance the culture of having food, eat food very wisely, because if you take so many food, you will have food on your plate unattended. Pakistan, that I believe is one of the very advanced in food and beverage industry, and this is the second largest industry after textile, accounting 60% of employment. Similarly, Indonesia also had very big company, because we have 265 million people, and it's estimated 19 to 20 billion US dollar the value of food industry. And with proud, I would like to inform that Indonesia food industry, they don't have the picture, also participate in this exhibition, in this event. Indomie, this is for those who are not knowing Indomie, Indomie is our product. It started from Indonesia, now become staple in Middle East, Saudi Arabia, in Africa. Now the first continent that we opened our factory in Faisalabad in Pakistan. As we are brotherly countries, we have been enjoying our excellent relation since the early times of our independence. We help each other, you know the history, but we have long known each other. We are, if I must say, ignoring one another. So the combination of 260 and 220 is like make up almost 500 million people. It's really huge market and good opportunity as the second and the first Muslim population. So we are doing everything and we can collaborate in everything. So I will say, call on people here that apart of your concern about World Food Day today, we have to collaborate in a very concrete form, and one of the things actually to our collaboration in export and import. As you may know that we have Indonesian product here as well as Pakistan product in Indonesia. We have quinoa in Indonesia, we have basmati in Indonesia, and here we also have Astor, apart Indomie, also Kopiko. So this is actually that we already know as a food enthusiast, and through this program I would like to once again congratulate the committee and also the Karachi for initiating this excellent program, and all the stakeholders to use your utmost to coordinating, collaborating, and also creating something beneficial for both people and also for both your company. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.